This 5-minute solution will show you how to compress PDF file size both PC and mobile. So if you have a large size PDF file and you want to compress the PDF file size, follow these simple steps to do it. First of all, let's see the process in computer. In your computer, open a browser and type here PDF compressor. Open the first website, adobe.com, Acrobat Compress PDF. Select a file and now select your PDF and to get best result, select best compression, then click on compress, and it may take some time to compress the PDF. And as you can see, the PDF file size has successfully compressed. Now click on download to download the compressed PDF. And now let's see the process in mobile. So the process will be same for Android and iOS device. All you have to need, open a browser and type PDF compressor and open the first website. Select a file and select your PDF. Select compression level, compress, and here we can see the result. The file size was 13 megabyte and after compress the current size is only 22 kilobyte. Now tap on download, and this is how we can compress PDF file size in PC and mobile. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.